Hello everyone, I am Navneet. Welcome to my first ever blog on YouTube, which is about laundry equipments. So first we should know what is laundry. So laundry is the place where washing and finishing of clothes, linen and other washable articles are done. There are two types of laundry. First one is on premises or on site laundry, which is inside the hotel. That is managed by either hotel management or on contract basis. And second one is off site laundry or off premises, which is outside the hotel, which means a commercial laundry. This is a good option if hotel does not want to set up its own laundry or if a space constraints. There are one another laundry operations, which is self-service laundry, that is known as laundromats. In hotel, there are a huge number of guests staying every day, which requires a huge amount of laundry to be completed in a given period of time. And there are lots of machines are set up for different fabrics for laundry process. There are many equipments like laundering equipments which consist of washing machine, hydro extractors, dryer, etc. And then pressing machine which consist of a steam press, calendar, suji machine, collar and cuff press, etc. And then folding machines, a spotting unit. So now I am going in details of these equipments. Under laundering equipment, first equipment is washing machines. In hotels, there are tumbler type washing machines whose capacity varies from 7 kg to 200 kg, and their wash barrel is made up of stainless steel. There are three parts of washing machines: motor, inner shell and outer shell, and caging. The outer shell is stationary, which holds the wash water, and inner shell holds the laundry, and it is perforated so it allows water of various cycles to flow in and out. And motor is responsible for rotating the inner shell, and due to this, swirl of fabric. Another equipment under laundering equipment is hydro extractors. Hydro extractors are centrifuges whose basket is made up of stainless steel. When we put wet clothes in hydro extractors, the internal drum rotates at high speed and throws wet water from clothes. The linens are left damp but not wet, so it can be pressed. And the next is dryers. This is also tumbler type machine, and when the cloth come out of hydro extractors, they are tightly packed and damp, and they need to be dried. When we put cloths in it, their inner cylinder rotates, which continuously passes the hot air, and due to this, extra moisture from cloth are removed. And in many dryers, there are lint removal system, which remove the lint from the linen. So once the cloth is washed and dried, they need to be pressed also. So after the laundering equipments, I am going to describe about pressing equipments. There are many types of pressing equipments for different items. Under pressing equipment, first equipment is a steam press. A steam press needs a steam and heat to press the cloth. In this, there are two plates. One is head, which passes heat, and second is bulk, which passes steam. From upper part, heat passes, which is head, and the lower part is bulk, from which the steam passes, and the cloth is set between these two plates. And the next equipment under pressing equipment is calendar. So calendar is used for pressing large presses like bed sheets, bed covers, tablecloth and similar items like this. In calendars there is couple of heated roller attached in series and a number of conveyor belts. Their speed is adjustable. Folding of sheet can be done manually or in some calendars automatically also.
And next equipment is a steam air garment finishes, which is also known as Suji machine. This machine consists of an open mesh nylon air foam bag or a dummy, which removes grease and gives a normal shape to the clothes. And next is collar and cuff presses. These collar and cuff presses consist of three spring-loaded bugs which are firmly padded. Collars and cuffs of a shirt are placed over the bug. Then a steamed head presses the articles and automatically a timer performs the task. And after washing and pressing of cloth, finally we need to fold the cloth, and in hotel there is also a folding machine which mainly do not fold the linen but help the worker in doing so, and a fully automated folding machine automatically folds the linen after calendared. Next is a spotting unit, which consists of a spotting board, a spotting gun. A spotting unit has three treadles, one for air, one for steam, and third one for vacuum. A spotting board is solid perforated table. During operation, gun is applied vertically above the stain at least 10 cm away from cloth, and with the help of a spot cleaning agent, a stain are flushed out from the cloth. And the last one is carts, trolley and sacks. These are used for transfer of linen from laundry to linen room and linen room to floor pantries and so on. These are made up of aluminum or steel. And the next is dry cleaning equipment. Dry cleaning equipment is similar to washing machines. It is also tumbler type. In this there are also washing, drying, extraction and decolorization is done in continuous process. In this equipment there is solvent filtration and distillation which process under a closed system. In dry cleaning there is the hot head offset dry cleaning press which is designed for versatility in clothes like gowns and some others.
That's all about laundry equipments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to likes and comments. Thank you.